Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 13707 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 1997 Mercury Grand Marquis. For a better view of the installation, we will be using a lift. Like most of our installations, this vehicle does not need to be elevated for the install. We estimate this installation to take 45 minutes to an hour and a half, depending on your level of expertise. These are the tools necessary for the install. At the hitch mounting location, begin by removing all but a thin film of undercoating. Raise the hitch into position, making sure the hitch is centered on the vehicle. The hitch should be positioned approximately 1 inch from the end of the frame. Use the hitch as a template and mark the attachment points with a paint pen. Lower the hitch and drill out the marked attachment points. For ease of drilling, start with a pilot hole and move up to a larger drill bit. Continue by fish wiring the hardware into the recently drilled out foremost attachment points. Use the included fish wire tool and insert the coiled end of the fish wire into the recently drilled out attachment point and route it through the frame rail and out through the large access hole. Place an included square hole spacer over the coiled end of the fish wire and insert the spacer into the frame rail. Thread the included carriage bolt into the coiled end of the fish wire and pull on the opposite end of the fish wire, pulling the bolt through the large access hole, through the frame rail, and down and out through the drilled out attachment point. For the rearmost attachment points, place a square hole spacer and carriage bolt down through the drilled out attachment point, accessible by the large frame rail access point. Repeat these steps on the opposite drilled out attachment points. Raise the hitch into position and place a square hole spacer over the rearmost carriage bolts. Sandwich the spacers between the hitch and frame rail before fastening the hitch with the supplied flange nuts. Read your instructions for specific vehicle model notes about additional spacers. Torque all hardware to the exact value specified in the supplied instruction sheet. May the odds ever be in your favor. This completes the installation of the CURT 13707 Class 3 trailer hitch on the 1997 Mercury Grand Marquis. Check out the custom vehicle trailer wiring harness installation video for your vehicle and get towing. Thank you for watching this video. Now get ready to bring it.